Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. The Dragon's Breath Pepper, the hottest chili in the world. Today I'm going to talk about the Dragon's Breath Pepper, a chili pepper cultivar that is said to be the hottest chili pepper in the world with a whopping 2.48 million Scoville heat units. It was developed in the UK by chili farmer Neil Price, NPK Technology, and Nottingham Trent University. What's unique about the Dragon's Breath pepper is that it was developed as part of a special project to create a spicy pepper and use its essential oil as an anesthetic for patients who cannot tolerate other anesthetics, or in countries where they are too expensive. However, it's important to note that this pepper is currently not for commercial consumption. The Dragon's Breath pepper is named after the symbol of Wales, the Welsh dragon. It's a tiny pepper, measuring only half an inch long, and has a red color with a wrinkled and bumpy exterior, similar to the Carolina Reaper pepper. So, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the Dragon's Breath pepper, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching.